In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a collage in Lightroom Classic. This is a fantastic way to creatively display your favorite photos, whether you're building a family album, crafting a standout social media post, or working on a professional project. So, let's dive right in. To kick things off, head over to the Library module. This is where you'll select the photos you want to include in your collage. An efficient tip here is to gather all your chosen images into a collection. This makes it really easy to access them all in one place, streamlining your workflow and saving precious time as you experiment with different layouts. Once you've selected your photos, it's time to switch gears and hop over to the Print module. You'll find this option at the top of your screen, nestled among the other module names. This is where the magic begins, and we start crafting your collage. On the left side, you'll notice the template browser. Here, you have the freedom to either select a pre-existing layout, or if you're feeling a bit adventurous and want something tailored to your exact vision, choose the custom package option. This allows you to start with a blank canvas and design your collage layout from scratch. Next, scroll down to the page setup at the bottom left of the screen. This section is crucial as it allows you to define the size and orientation of your page. Whether you're planning to print your collage or export it as a digital file, you'll want to decide between landscape or portrait mode and set dimensions that fit your intent. Now, it's time to add photo cells to your custom package. You can drag images directly from the film strip into these cells to start filling up your collage. Feel free to play around with resizing and adjusting these cells to suit your creative needs. Simply use the cell size sliders or drag the corners manually until you're happy with how everything looks. Once your photos are all snugly in place, you might want to further polish your collage by customizing the layout. Adjust the margins and spacing to give each image the room to shine. You can also choose a background color for your page if you want to add a touch of subtlety or drama to your design. Finally, over on the right panel under Print Job, you'll determine how your collage will be output. If you're exporting your collage to a digital file, set the Print to option to JPEG file. From here, you can choose the resolution and color space. sRGB is perfect if you're planning to use the collage online. Once you've configured these settings and everything looks exactly how you want, go ahead and click either Print or Print to File to save or export your completed collage. And there you have it, your beautiful collage, crafted step by step in Lightroom Classic, ready to be shared with the world. Enjoy the creative process.